like you.
Yeah, we mean that.
Emphatically.
Yeah, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
It's a good word.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Watch out for the viaduct, it's dangerous!
Now I'll get you, brunette stone!
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
Itchy? Itchy's hungry!
Get back!
Come on, lady.
What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust!
Get back!
Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodom. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. What are you doing here, Thomas? He asked. I brought Edward's trucks, Thomas answered. Why did you come so fast? I didn't mean to. I was pushed, said Thomas. You've got a lot to learn about trucks then, little Thomas. After pushing them about here for a few weeks, you'll know almost as much about them as Edward. Then you'll be a really useful engine. Well, Thomas, he said, I've heard all about it and I'm very pleased with you. You're a really useful engine. And you shall have a branch line all to yourself.
Remember, Thomas, united we stand, together we fall. You help me, and I'll help you.
Because you're a really useful engine. Find a way.
Then I'll try.
Well, lady, this is your shining time tonight.
Come on, lady! Little engines can do big things!
Oh well, nice time of the year for a cruise.